What can be inferred about the hypothetical skyscraper of Clark and Kingston? Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A. The cost of the 63rd floor was higher than the revenue of the floor. The first paragraph mentions that the hypothetical skyscraper of Clark and Kingston maximized its return at 63 stories. Also, the second paragraph mentions that the economic height, that is the height where the return is maximized, is the highest floor where the additional revenue just equals the additional cost. So it can be inferred that because the economic height of this skyscraper was 63 stories, for the 63rd story, the revenue and the cost were equal. That is what we can infer from the passage. So it is incorrect to state that the cost was higher than the revenue. Let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B. The cost for the 64th floor would be higher than the cost for the 63rd floor. In the context of economic height, the passage compares the revenue and costs of a particular story. The passage doesn't compare the costs of two stories. So it cannot be established that the cost of the 64th story would be higher than that for the 63rd story. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice C. The profit from the 64th floor would be higher than the profit from the 63rd floor. If the economic height of this skyscraper is 63 stories, it means that if we build one floor higher, that means the 64th floor, the cost would be greater than the revenue. So it can be inferred that for the 64th floor, the cost is greater than the revenue, which means that the 64th floor would result in a loss. So it is incorrect to state that the profit from the 64th floor would be higher than the profit from the 63rd floor. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D. The income produced by the 64th floor would be more than the cost to produce the floor. Again, as per the second paragraph, if the economic height of the skyscraper is 63 stories, then building one more floor, that is the 64th story, in that story, the cost is going to be higher than the revenue. So this answer choice directly opposes what is mentioned in the passage. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice E. The revenue from the 63rd floor just equals the cost of building the 63rd floor. Yes, that is what the passage mentions. If the economic height of the skyscraper is 63 stories, it means that at the highest floor, that means at the 63rd floor, the revenue and the cost are equal, which is what answer choice E implies. E is the correct answer.